The art world is no stranger to change. Throughout history, new movements and technologies have emerged, challenging traditional notions of art and pushing the boundaries of creative expression. Today, we stand at the cusp of another artistic revolution, one driven by the transformative power of artificial intelligence. AI is rapidly changing how we create and experience art. Algorithms can now generate stunning visuals, compose captivating music, and even craft compelling narratives, blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. This new wave of AI-powered art is not merely a technological novelty, it's a profound shift in our understanding of art itself. The emergence of AI art has sparked both excitement and apprehension. Some embrace it as a natural evolution of artistic expression, while others view it with skepticism, questioning the role of human ingenuity in a world where machines can seemingly create art on their own. As we delve deeper into the world of AI art, we must grapple with these complex questions and explore the profound implications of this transformative technology. At the heart of AI art lies the fascinating world of algorithms. These intricate instructions enable machines to learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. In art, AI algorithms are trained on vast data sets, absorbing stylistic nuances. One approach is generative adversarial networks, or GANs. GANs consist of two networks in a creative duel. The generator creates, while the discriminator critiques. This process refines the generator's ability to produce compelling art. Beyond GANs, other AI techniques like VEs and RNNs are also used. As AI research progresses, new algorithms will expand creative possibilities. The rise of AI art has been accompanied by a surge in user-friendly tools and platforms that make it easier than ever for anyone to explore the creative potential of AI. These tools, often web-based and accessible through a simple interface, empower both seasoned artists and curious novices to experiment with AI as a medium of expression. One popular example is DALL-E 2, developed by OpenAI. DALL-E 2 allows users to generate images from text descriptions, known as prompts. By providing a detailed prompt, such as a surreal landscape with melting clocks and flying fish, users can witness their words transformed into captivating visuals. Another noteworthy tool is Midjourney, which operates through a Discord server. Users can submit their prompts and watch as the AI generates a series of increasingly refined images in real time. This interactive process allows for experimentation and refinement, as users can provide feedback and guide the AI towards their desired artistic outcome. Beyond these standalone platforms, AI art generators are increasingly integrated into popular design software and creative suites. This integration allows artists to seamlessly incorporate AI-powered tools into their existing workflows, enhancing their creative process and expanding their artistic possibilities. The rise of AI art raises ethical and legal questions about copyright and ownership. Who owns the rights to AI-generated art? The developer, the user, or the AI itself? Legal frameworks struggle to keep up with AI's rapid evolution. Traditional copyright law is based on human authorship. Some argue AI art should be considered computer-generated work. Others believe the user should be the author or co-author. The debate over AI art ownership will continue. Clear legal frameworks are needed to balance interests and foster innovation. Section 5. Beyond imitation AI as a creative collaborator. While some view AI art with skepticism, perceiving it as a threat to human creativity, others see it as an opportunity for collaboration and artistic exploration. Rather than replacing human artists, AI can serve as a powerful tool, augmenting their abilities and pushing the boundaries of their imaginations. AI art generators can be seen as creative partners, offering new perspectives, generating novel ideas, and assisting with technical tasks. Artists can use AI to explore different styles, experiment with unconventional compositions, and bring their wildest artistic visions to life. This collaborative potential extends beyond visual art, as AI can also assist musicians in composing, writers in crafting narratives, and dancers in choreographing movements. The key to unlocking the true potential of AI in art lies in embracing its collaborative nature. By viewing AI as a creative partner rather than a replacement, artists can leverage its strengths while retaining their unique artistic vision and agency. This symbiotic relationship between human and machine has the potential to unlock new realms of artistic expression and redefine the very meaning of creativity. Section 6. Expanding Horizons: Unforeseen Applications of AI in Art. The impact of AI on the art world extends far beyond the creation of standalone artworks. AI is transforming various aspects of the art ecosystem, from art education and accessibility to art conservation and historical analysis. In art education, AI-powered tools can provide personalized learning experiences, adapt to individual skill levels, and offer real-time feedback to aspiring artists. AI can also make art more accessible to people with disabilities by providing alternative ways to create and experience art. For instance, AI-powered tools can translate visual art into audio descriptions for the visually impaired or enable people with mobility impairments to create art through voice commands or brain-computer interfaces. In art conservation, AI algorithms can analyze historical artifacts, identify areas of damage, and assist in the restoration process. AI can also be used to authenticate artworks, detect forgeries, and track the provenance of art objects, ensuring the preservation of cultural heritage for future generations. These are just a few examples of the wide-ranging applications of AI in the art world. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and transformative uses to emerge, reshaping how we create, experience, and preserve art for generations to come. Section 7. The Democratization of Creativity: AI Art for Everyone. One of the most significant impacts of AI art is its potential to democratize creativity. Traditionally, creating art required specialized skills, expensive tools, and years of practice. AI art generators, however, are making it possible for anyone with an internet connection to express themselves creatively, regardless of their background or experience. This newfound accessibility to artistic tools has the power to unleash a wave of creativity from unexpected sources. People who may have never considered themselves artists can now explore their creative potential and share their unique perspectives with the world. This democratization of creativity can lead to a more diverse and inclusive art world, where voices from all walks of life are heard and celebrated. The rise of AI art challenges the traditional gatekeepers of the art world, who often dictate what is considered valuable or worthy of recognition. With AI art generators, anyone can become a creator, blurring the lines between artist and audience and fostering a more participatory and collaborative art ecosystem. This shift in power dynamics has the potential to disrupt existing hierarchies and open up new avenues for artistic expression and appreciation. Section 8. A Fusion of Vision: The Future of AI and Human Creativity. As AI technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, the future of AI and human creativity is ripe with possibilities. While it's impossible to predict with certainty how this relationship will unfold, one thing is clear: AI is here to stay, and its impact on the art world will only continue to grow. We can expect to see even more sophisticated AI art generators emerge, capable of producing works that are virtually indistinguishable from human-created art. These advanced AI systems will likely possess a deeper understanding of artistic principles, historical context, and emotional nuances, allowing them to create works of art that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also intellectually stimulating and emotionally resonant. The boundaries between human and machine creativity will likely become increasingly blurred as AI systems become more integrated into artistic workflows. Artists will seamlessly incorporate AI tools into their creative processes, using them to augment their abilities, generate novel ideas, and push the boundaries of their imaginations. This symbiotic relationship between human and machine will lead to the creation of entirely new art forms and experiences that were previously unimaginable. Section 9. Conclusion: A World Transformed by AI-Powered Art. The rise of AI art marks a pivotal moment in the history of creativity. AI is not merely a new tool for artists, it's a fundamental shift in how we understand the nature of art itself. As AI systems become increasingly adept at creating art, we are forced to confront profound questions about the role of human ingenuity, the meaning of creativity, and the very definition of art. While the future of AI art is uncertain, one thing is clear: AI has the power to transform the art world in profound and unpredictable ways. By embracing the collaborative potential of AI, we can unlock new realms of artistic expression, democratize creativity, and usher in a new era of art that is more diverse, inclusive, and accessible than ever before. The canvas is blank, the algorithms are primed, and the possibilities are limitless. The future of art is here, and it's powered by AI.